guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a video with my little parakeet. It's a cutie. So I'm also going to be doing a story time after this video, because like at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So he's a little cutie. So I'm going to be like basically showing you guys like little tricks that you can do. You can only do like two. You can like walk on command. He's like this, we'll let it go. His claw is stuck. Oh, he's gone. Let's the claw onto your cage. So all together. Okay. Okay, so he can just like walk like this. This is all he can do. So I'm gonna be doing like parts like when I learn new tricks with him. So yeah. That was the wrong command, that's why I didn't do it. Come on. Bite. Yes, good boy. He did not bite. See, I'm teaching him how to not bite. Because this little boy, he bites too much. He bites too much. I hate to say it. So, yeah. This is my little parakeet. That's all he really knows how to do. He can walk on command and, he can just, yeah, that's really all I guess. I do this again. And if he did it like this, he would fly away. You don't care about it. So now I'm going to be doing a story time since I have videos what he could do. So basically, I used to have two. Yesterday, my dog attacked the other one, okay, and she tore the foot off of it, and she basically, I was trying to save my bird Sam, and she was curled up into the water bowl, and I was like, and I was trying to save her, and she basically died because she lost her foot. Her talon was gone, and there was like she had lost too much blood, so basically she died. That's really my story time. So yeah, sorry this video is short. That's like really all I wanted to do. And yeah, bye guys.